doing pretty good.
Yeah.
So do his head first and then go down?
Yeah.
He just loves everything. I think the only thing he likes is sleep.
So little.
There we go.
And then we want you to stretch out. And then we get under here. Get that.
Oh, that feels
All
good.
that. Oh, we get that. Shh. Then we get that. We don't want you to get chilled. You're fine. You're fine. You're fine.
You're okay.
You're doing okay, little
Good
man.
job, Charlie.
Oh,
that
here?
feels good. But
Grandma's. Yes, yes. Yes. You're doing fine.
oh, good boy.
We love you. Shh. You're doing really good. Get all the nooks and crannies. Yes. Oh.
He's all, watch my scab, I'm gonna cut my finger. Oh.
Oh.
You're okay.
Oh, little man. Just everything is so new. Everything is so new. Yeah.
There's a little bit of poop on his backside.